Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript Bro Code, only wait. Start by mastering core syntax, variables, functions, and events. Practice with small projects every day. Focus on debugging, reading errors, and using console logs to learn faster. Build one interactive app, improve it with new features, and review code with peers. Repeat learning cycles and celebrate milestones to maintain momentum. Track progress weekly and set specific goals for each study session. Start with a tiny project and expand it deliberately, like a to-do list or calculator that evolves. Break tasks into 20 to 40-minute focus sprints, then refactor and add tests. Use online sandboxes to prototype quickly and deploy a simple version to share. Iteration teaches design, debugging, and architecture more than passive reading ever will. Keep each project meaningful and finish it before starting the next one. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make coding breaks tidier and funnier. It learns rooms so you can focus on code, not crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you love neat spaces, consider it. Now let's get back to the video. Once comfortable with basics, move to asynchronous patterns, modules, and tooling to build real apps. Practice fetch requests, promise chains, and async functions with real APIs to learn edge cases. Adopt module-based structure, use a bundler, and write simple tests to ensure stability. Study patterns like observer and factory to organize code. Apply new concepts immediately in your ongoing project to lock knowledge into long-term memory.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.